Hi, I'm Arnav and I've recently come across this book called The S Code, written by the author Praneeth Ramidi. Though it is his second book, the story really captivated me, and that is what has led me to talk about this book today. The main theme of the story is mystery. The deeper we delve into the book and the story, the more suspense and thrill builds up. This story is a roller coaster of emotions. The author has entrancingly forged the sense of determination, a sense of revenge, bond that people share, and to the extent that humans are driven simply by faith, all into one fine and beautiful double edged sword. This story is intricately woven with the setting in the year 2008 and in the kingdom of Vijayata Mandala, which was previously ruled by the royal family which was very loyal to the British. But later, it achieved its freedom from the tyranny of the monarchical rule along with Bharat's independence. The story revolves around the legend of 21 jars of gold which were accumulated by the royal family for their selfish needs. But these 21 jars of gold were hidden away by 21 soldiers who fought for a good cause and were loyal to the people. But it had come at a price, and the price had to be their lives. The soldiers willingly gave up their lives to safeguard these treasure jars from evil eyes, and this tale revolves around the thrilling story of their adventure. The protagonist of this story is a 28-year-old businessman named Aditya. His life had drastically changed upside down and directly has been affected by these 21 jars. An eerie mystery is carried throughout the story, which creates an intense sense of curiosity and anxiety among the readers at all times. The story, as we dive deep into it, unravels mysterious plots which urges and makes this tale riveting and urges the readers to find the final plot. And it is important that you read the book to find out how the life of Aditya has changed upside down by the 21 jars of gold which were hidden away way before his birth. This story contains multiple enigmas comprehensively engraved into one single book, and it is a must reader. When we come to the writing style of the author has fascinatingly captured the hearts of the readers throughout the story. He used simple yet rich vocabulary to convey the enigmatic ideas of the story into the brains of the readers. The story is very thrilling and unravels multiple plots at each step, and you will be unable to guess what's the final plot. And the final plot will be the S code. And to know what the S code is, you definitely have to read the book. And this story is not just something that is born out of the creative imagination of the author. It is something much more. It teaches us, it changes your worldview, it changes the way you think and pursue things in your life. It teaches us necessary things that are important to encompass in our day-to-day life. Overall, to me, this book is a must-reader for every mystery lover. And soon, I will try to meet the author to know if he's on the path to his next one. Thank you.